Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Puligoth air mover blower fan. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Powerful performance. Equipped with a strong motor, this floor fan delivers wind speeds up to 20 meters per second. Choose from 3 speed settings, high, medium, low, and 2 modes, cool or warm, to suit your needs. It's effective for quickly drying and cooling. Wide coverage, with a pivoting head that adjusts to any angle from 0 to 185 degrees, this high-velocity fan is great for drying wet floors, ventilating stuffy spaces, or tackling heat any time of year. Built-in removable filter. This filter effectively blocks dust, lint, and debris from entering the motor, extending the fan's life. Cleaning is quick and easy, no tools are needed. Just rinse, air dry, and reinstall. Portable air mover, weighing just 15 pounds and featuring a convenient carry handle, this compact and lightweight fan, 13.4 inch, length, 9.8 inch, widths, 12.8 inch, height, can be easily moved to deliver directed airflow exactly where you need it. Multiple applications, a versatile and practical blower fan that provides cooling for rooms, workspaces, and garages, and also functions as a powerful carpet dryer for floors and walls after cleaning or water damage. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.